What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing this hairstyle with better length hair. This is my first time doing a true hairstyle on the channel, so I hope you guys enjoy it. And remember to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. If you're new here, please subscribe. And if you're not new here, love you, my OGs, my little babies. Y'all know y'all have a special place in my heart. But if you want to see how I did this, keep watching. And follow me on Instagram and Snapchat and Twitter if you're not already. And if you haven't seen my last video, I suggest you go watch it and watch it until the end, because I ain't even gonna tell you what it is, but just go watch it. Alright, y'all. In my hair already is the main choice. Doesn't get much better than this daily hair dressing. And this has been in my hair for about 2-3 days now. So it's still soft, still has it in there. I'm not gonna wash my hair before I do this. And I'm going to be using my Eco Style like Jamaican castor oil and flaxseed gel as my gel, and also water like I told you earlier. This right here has enough moisture in it for me to not have to use anything else to moisturize my hair. So we're gonna start with this because I'm about to wing it, y'all. We about to get it done though, I know that. And I'm gonna do it really easy first. So for those people that don't know how to braid or anything, I got y'all, because I don't know how either. And I do have this pimple on my face. It's been there for the longest. I'm ready for it to go the freak. Like, go away.
Reminding me happiness is not a destination. It's not the money we make or the lives that we take. It's the hearts on which we played on. My life will one day be so much better than my dreams. So at 2 a.m. I won't want to fall asleep. The mess that I leave behind when my existence will cease. Never mattered anyway, at least for now. And tell me when it's all over. And when will you listen to things that I told you? Instead of crying on my shoulders. Darling, you have to grow as you grow older. My life will one day be so much better than my dreams. So at 2 a.m. I won't want to fall asleep. The mess that I leave behind when my existence will cease. Never mattered anyway. Lay in bed eating chicken and I've never been better. And boys don't fuss me cause I know I won't let them. I put the world to rights, I swear it's set up. And I just don't know where to hit him with a 1-2. Cause I don't want to. Baby, I don't want you. And does it make you cry? Cause you couldn't do me right. Put my legs in the sky. So I'll do me better. And I'll do me forever. And I don't need backup. And I'll do me till the cows come home. So I'll do me.
Okay, now that I'm done with twisting, I'm gonna go ahead and begin to pull this back into a full bun, and then I'll apply my clip-ins.
Eating chicken, I never cared less. I had a thing, but he started getting jealous. I put his world to rights in acapellas. And now I can say I kick it with a 1-2. Because I want to. Baby, I don't want you. And does it make you cry? Cause you couldn't do me right. Put my legs in the sky. So I'll do me better. And I'll do me forever. And I don't need backup. And I'll do me till.
So as you see, I just pulled that into a little bun so I can make the big bun. And since I've already like washed them and everything, they smell really good. And I'm probably gonna use maybe 2 or 3 clip-ins. We have the 2 clip-in weft. We have 2 of those, and these are the shorter ones. But we also have the longer ones of the 2 clip-in wefts. So right behind it is this one, and it's literally like only like 1 clip-in. I have 2 of those. Have the 3 clip-in wefts, and that's 2 of those also. Along with the 4 and the 5. So there's 2 of each, 2 of the 5, 4, 3, and then 2 tubes. So I'm going to use the 4 clip-in wefts, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see what I do. I'm gonna clip it in backwards so that when I twirl it around it works, okay? Then I'm gonna use another one. And they're not really like clipping down, but that's okay because I'm just gonna wrap it around and bobby pin. So it don't even have to do all that, you know? Okay, so I'm gonna just use 2. I'm just gonna wrap it around. Maybe I'm gonna use another one. Now I'm gonna bobby pin this one, and I'll use 1 more. Make it work. Make it twerk.
You drove my heart insane, and now I must take the blame for letting you in. There is no time like the present to remind you you're irrelevant. There's no way I could ever have been your girl forever. There's no way I could ever have been your girl forever.
Alright, let's slay these edges now, and then I'll be done.
There's no way I could ever ever have been your girl forever. There's no way I could ever have been your girl forever. There's no way I could ever have been your girl forever. Ask me to promise you I would be the one.
Alright y'all, so this is the final look. I'm actually kind of feeling this a lot. Probably gonna keep this in for a few days. Lots of bobby pins. They're just really flat twists, and that's it.
There is no time like the present to remind you you're irrelevant.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I do have a coupon code for you guys for a better length, so that means y'all get some money off. These are the Kinky coily clip-ins again. They're more of a 3B hair. If you do hair typing, I have a 3C 4A hair type. So you know my curls are coilier, so they're smaller, and yeah. But this right here, it's lit. I like it. I like it a lot. Shoulda did this the first time. Y'all asked for more hairstyles. I'm coming at you with more hairstyles. Be ready. Be ready. Alright y'all, I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. And I'm just gonna go over what came in the package when I got it. So this is the Better Length hair, and it came in a silk bag like this. And it has pink drawstrings, and it has 2 of each type of clip. So it has 2 wefts with 2 clips that are shorter, 2 wefts with 2 clips that are a little longer, 2 wefts with 3 clips, 2 wefts with 4 clips, and 2 wefts with 5 clips. It also came in this clear bag all together with the golden rope wrapped around it like I showed you earlier, and it also came with the extra clips and the needle and thread, just in case one of your clips fell off, or you know, something happened, you want to add another clip somewhere. It came in this little bag. So I hope you guys enjoyed this hairstyle. I really like this hairstyle so far. Yeah, it's pretty cool. If I went to a beauty supply store or something, I probably would add more accents on it, like, you know, little clips or whatever, but I don't have any, so you know, you can always spice it up that way. Go to the beauty supply store, you can go to Michael's, Marshall's, whatever, and spice up your hairstyle. Me, I'm just gonna rock it like this unless I decide that I want to switch it up, but as of right now I'm good with this. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I really am feeling this hair. It's really, really soft. I really like this hair. The only thing is it sheds a little more than I would like. It's not really a huge problem. It's not something that it will keep you from buying the hair. The hair is really, really good. I really like it. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this, because I did. I really did.
You like to show me you care without caring at all. So you tell me you're there, but I wake up alone tomorrow. And you send me